To find the standard deviation of a data set, the first step is to find the mean of the data set. So in this example, we are going to find the mean of these numbers. So to find the mean, we add up all the numbers and divide by how many there are. So here I would do 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, which sums to 20. And then I'm going to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because there's 5 numbers in my data set. 20 divided by 5 equals 4, so that is my mean. This column over here is intended to just list the values in our data set. So I'm going to put those in there. And then this second column, this notation is telling me to take each x value, which are the ones in this first column, and subtract away the mean. So this x bar symbol is a symbol for the mean. So for each problem, I'm going to take the x value, so for this first one, 2, and then subtract away the mean of 4. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. For the second row, I take the value, so 3, subtract away the mean, and I get negative 1. Let's keep going. 4 minus 4 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. And then 6 minus 4 is 2. So then this third column is saying that we're going to take each number that we got in the second column and square it, or take it times itself. So for the first round, I'm going to do negative 2 squared, which is 4. Negative 1 squared is 1. 0 squared, 0. 1 squared is 1. And 2 squared is 4. So our next step is to find the mean of the numbers that I just got in my third column. So we call these values the squares. So we're going to find the mean of those numbers. So again, I'm going to add them all together. 4 plus 1, 0 plus 1 plus 4. And I'm going to divide by how many numbers there were, which is still 5. It should be the same number of numbers as your original data set. So when I add them together, I get 10. And then I divide by 5, and I get that the mean is 2. And then your very last step to find the standard deviation is to take the square root of this mean number. So I would take the square root of 2, which is about 1.4. And so 1.4 would be my standard deviation of this data set.